Yeah, boy, you know what time it is. Your boy got on the gray shirt, so you know where I'm about to go. I'm about to go outside. I got me a new tool that I'm about to, oh, okay. Come on, little man, come on. Come on, you wanna get in this? Come on, get in this. Get in this shot. Get in this shot, brother. You see it? All right, so I got this tool. I'm about to put in some work. It's about to be on the popping. I don't know what's about to happen, but I know it's about to happen. All right, so I'm gonna go outside. We're gonna go outside, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Hey! 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 All right, ladies and gentlemen, your boy got a tool. I got a tool that's gonna allow me to conquer. Y'all wanna see what I'm trying to conquer today? I'm trying to conquer this behemoth tree. Now, I've been doing work. You know, I've been digging before. I've been digging. And this is where I am. Now, I'm gonna show y'all previous digs, like, to get me where I am right now. I've just been digging, you know, and it's been time. It's time out for all of that. Like, I've been digging day 1, day 2, day 3 of digging, just digging, like all them different days of digging. And I came to the point where enough is enough. Like, it's right in front of my house, like right there, boom, right there, door, boom. Like, it's too much. So, you know what? When enough is enough, you get what you need. And this is the man tool. So as y'all can see, you see it. The tool is here, the saw. So I got my glasses, safety first. Goggles, gloves, and the saw. It's going down today. Today is the last day I look at this tree. Today is the last day. Ain't got time for this. I'm ready for war. I'm ready for battle. So I'm gonna switch cameras. So I'm not about to have this camera out here while I'm cutting this thing down. You see the flick? Your boy is ready. So I'm about to switch to the GoPro. And I must say, before y'all start talking about me, this is my first time doing this. So I'm just going in it with everything I got. Everything I got. It's going in. We both come a long way. I had to make a break because I got sweat in my eye. But I've been doing good though. So this is my trash. I got smart and tried to figure out, like, where can I put all these scraps, because I'm gonna have to move them from the front of my yard. So I put them in a bin. Anyway, that's where I'm at, ladies and gentlemen. It's getting tighter. It's getting tighter. Whew. Whew. I don't know if I'm gonna finish today. That was my goal. But I didn't realize how tedious this thing really was. But I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I'm gonna have to finish on Thursday. But either way, it'll give me something to do. But I started. I'm gonna start back at the night, the day, the experience has come to an end. I was able to reduce it drastically. But the Joker still lives. I got it to the middle though. Just a lot of dirt and debris from you know, the extraction. But I got this middle piece. That's it. I'm done. Whew. Oh, I'm so tired. Wow. I didn't realize what amount of work I was just undergoing. I respect every tree person, tree cutter, root digger, root uprooter. Like, whoa. that, my friends, that is no joke. I thought I was going to be able to tackle it in one day. However, as y'all saw, it's going to be a 2-day process, possibly a 3-day. But I'm going to chop it down some more and then get some chemicals to just like douse it to try to just annihilate it totally from the roots up. But yeah, man, I think one more day worth of work and I won't visibly see it, but that don't mean the root's not living, and I don't want the roots. Because if there's a root, there's a tree. And there's a tree, there's a problem. And when there's a problem, there's a reciprocal saw that has to be called upon. And I don't want to be the one that holds it. So, yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit the bell, because you never know what you're going to see on this here channel. We're doing a lot here. We got a new home. We doing different things around the house. My wife and I, we be doing stuff. Like we do talks, inspirational, motivational, all that good stuff for married people, people interested in getting married, or people who just like relationships and they want to get better in their relationship. Like, hey, we may motivate you to do so. But yeah, man, subscribe. Your boy is tired right now. Like, I am tired. I really am tired. But, you know, shouts out to my plant there. My plant there. Just so y'all know, I am a plant lover. I love the plants. You can see 3 plants just right here in this shot. This is my wife. Hello? Yeah.
Oh, I was making sure you're all right. You had problems.
Yeah, it was an accident. I was trying to get to the video.
Oh, all right. All right.
Okay. All right.
All right.
Bye-bye. Gotta love it. Loving wife right there for the rescue if need be. But anyway, I love plants. Just so y'all know, I just got a package over there at the front door to hang my plants in my kids' room. So please realize and recognize and know I love plants. I did that for visual appearance and for outside usage. We want and have an idea for that space, and that tree got to go. But anyway, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, please do not keep up with the Joneses. Why? Because there's so much on the inside of you that this world needs. And if you acting like somebody else, we won't get to experience it. We'll just experience a copycat of somebody else that you can't even do right because you're not even him. But anyway, and if you made it to the end of this video, please tune back in tomorrow because me and my wife have something special for you on tomorrow. So, until next time, love you all. Peace.